Hi, thanks for taking the time to learn how to log into Moodle and access the course calendar. If you're reading this, you likely got this letter explaining our To Kill a Mockingbird assignment and also getting the login information for Moodle. The address for Moodle, again, is moodle.mccsc.edu. Note that there's no www. The way it's set up, if you put in the www, it won't work. The guest username and password that you have, if you're not able to use your student's account to log in, the username is DrewGuest, and the password is nthguest*+. So you'd go to the main Moodle page and type in that username and that password and click on Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main MCCSC Moodle page, and this will show a list of all the different Moodle courses in the school corporation. If you scroll down to high schools and then find Bloomington New Tech High School, clicking on that will bring up the Moodle classes at New Tech. You can see Ms. Novak also has one. If you click on Schroeder Gunkel American Studies Core 40, that will take you to our course page. When you get into Moodle, what you'll notice is that it's set up by topics. The first topic, or the top topic, will always be our current project. As you can see, we're just starting our unit on Defying Expectations, and it is featuring To Kill a Mockingbird. Notice that there's only a few resources listed here right now. If you look below our unit on World War II, by the time we're finished with the whole project, there are numerous different assignments and resources and things posted in there, but we sort of unveil those one thing at a time. The main resource that we want you to take note of right now is the course calendar. Over here on the right side of the page, you'll see a daily calendar. If you go to the date and click on calendar, it will bring up the daily agenda for class. And these are sort of always being updated as we go through the day. But if you look in here, you will note that we have our reading assignment for To Kill a Mockingbird listed. For example, today on Thursday, we read Chapter 1, and students needed to complete the questions in Moodle. We started Chapter 1 in class, and so they would need to finish those at home. If you looked at tomorrow's calendar, you could click, you could look here and note that tomorrow students will need to read chapters 2 and 3 in To Kill a Mockingbird. If you notice right now there are no other things listed. Obviously we'll do more than just read 2 chapters in the book tomorrow, but we're going to try to post some of the reading assignments a few days in advance, so if students are going to be absent or if they just like to read ahead, they're able to do that. If you want to go back to the main Moodle page, this top navigation bar is how you move around in Moodle. The main thing to do, or the best thing to do, is always just kind of go back to the main course page. The only other thing that you should take note of right now is that students will have some daily questions to answer in a Moodle forum. So this is the chapter by chapter discussion. And for each chapter, we'll be posting a few short questions just to check to make sure that they're understanding what they're reading and that we're all on the same page. So thanks for taking the time to learn how to log into Moodle. Please feel free to contact Mr. Schroeder or Ms. Gunkel if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.